Okay. Harmon shooting the 20 gauge. But we need to replace the O-ring because it's jamming. Okay, you want to do it yourself now?
I hit it a fourth time.
You did it again? All right, hold this. Hold the camera. You want to do it yourself? Okay, you gotta turn it now. You gotta turn it. No, it's not gonna hold that way. Here, hold it.
I hit it 4 times in a row. Hold on, wait. Four times in a row. That one bull outside on the left of the bullseye.
Safety is on.
Wait.
Okay.
I zoomed in on the top.
All right, good. Safety is on. Okay. That's O-ring I got at the hardware store. And it's not the right one. I have one ordered from eBay, but it didn't arrive in time. And today is Sunday. January 12th, 2025. Okay, here, you can do it yourself. Watch me, hold it, watch me. Watch, ready? Okay, now watch. Now watch, here. Keep your fingers out of there. Now you see why I didn't want you to do it yourself? Because that thing had this, well, if your finger's in there, it's gonna hurt. Okay, go ahead. Safety is off. Keep your finger out of the trigger guard. Okay, pick it up. Shoot. He's got to get used to the gun. It's 3:28 p.m. Okay, let's see if you can do it.
Look at that.
You did it again.
Right near the bull, it was right like this.
All right, hurry up. I'm getting out of video.
It was right there.
You want to do it? Okay, remember, you got a shell in there? Let it go. Now push, remember? Okay, there you go. All right, you got to do this standing up.
I hit it right next to the
All right,
floor.
do it again.
Let's try to make it 6 holes.
Okay.
5 in the same hole. 5 of them.
Well, shoot it to the right of the bull right now. All right, quickly.
What?
Now turn it. And remember what I said? Keep your finger out of there. There you go. That's good.
A bullseye.
Okay.
Look, a bullseye.
All right, let's see you do it. You empty? You're empty.
Oh.
Okay, now, my turn. Ready? Here. Hold this. Take a video of me, not
I want to look at it. Really
Ready?
good.
Harmon. Okay. with the wolf bullet. Wolf bullets. Okay, ready? We'll shoot the top one.
You hit it.
Okay, how's that?
You hit it. Got 2 bullseyes. You hit the target. Daddy, you got 2 bullseyes and you missed the target. And you didn't miss the target.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Wait. Put it more in the light.
Okay, ready?
Give the bullets to me. Give the bullets to me.
What?
Give me the wolves. The wolf. Here, there you go.
That one's working.
There, the bright was kind of dark. There.
Okay. Here's the 17 round magazine. I don't think we'll have time. They're hard to get in. Hurry up, they're gonna call time on us. Just shoot one at a time. You know what? Just shoot one at a time. Why? Just pull. We'll be there all day long. All right. No, it's not loaded. Let it go. No. Okay, go ahead. Took you a while.
It wouldn't go in. It was jammed.
Shoot it. Just go single action now. Okay, you know what? That was good. All right.
I think I hit a 6 in a row in that one hole.
Yeah.
I think I hit 6 in that one hole.
All right. It looks good on you. All right.